How to post YouTube video on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go over it quick and easy on how you can post YouTube video in Instagram. To post YouTube video in Instagram, what you can do is you can open up YouTube and open up a particular video, right? Once you open up your particular video, what you can do is you can simply tap on the share icon here. For example, this video I want to share. You can tap on share icon and get the option here to share, right? So you can tap on more if you don't find Instagram and then select Instagram. Now you'll get the option to share it, right? But you won't be able to share it directly as a post, or you won't be able to share it directly on your story. Well, unfortunately, Instagram or YouTube doesn't allow that. YouTube doesn't allow to share it directly. So what you can do is you can either screen record the video or you can download the video on YouTube. Once you have downloaded, you can proceed to share it either on your story or on your as a post. So this is how you can post YouTube videos on Instagram. You'll have to first download it. If you want to know how you can download it, make sure to comment down below. I'll give you a short video tutorial on how you can download YouTube videos. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.